Alright, Cook Creek pre-ride. And only my second time ever on my new 300. Riding with Jamie. He's fast. I'm already struggling. Paddled the whole way up that. Oh, what are you doing? Did you just spin it?
No, I just fell over.
Oh.
I just need to stretch my back. I'm trying to get over this log, so I'm going to go beat. There's a big log here, like 2 foot.
Yeah, I don't feel like it either. So AB, oh, the course is already marked. Sweet. Loser! So we just had a 4-day weather bomb. I don't even know, probably like 200 milliliters of rain in the last 5 days or so. It's pretty wet. Jamie's right on my ass. Little whiskey throttle there. Good thing I had the clutch covered. Woo. That was awesome.
Right?
Look at this, it's like a lake. Whoa! Freaking logs, man. Oh, you just don't even know what's in those. Can't see nothing. Just dive in blind faith. Woo! This is awesome in here.
Oh. That was literally my favorite trail.
Fuck.
That was fucking awesome.
Yeah, that was sweet. Okay, so obviously Jamie's ridden here a little bit when he's like, that's my favorite trail. And I'm totally never been here before. And like I said earlier, first time on my 300. So I can't be too hard on myself that I can't even keep him in sight. He's a really good rider too. Low line? Yeah, that was pretty good. Stay low. bars might be a little wider than I'm used to. Oh. Yeah, I know, I crash a lot. It's a common theme. Another tree. Oh. I think these handguards stick out a little farther than I'm used to.
And we drop down, go along here, drop down, go across the bridge, up the other side, and then we're back to that road that we crossed earlier.
Yeah.
And then I'm assuming we're going to go across and then
Yeah.
up into...
Hopefully we can get a lap in.
I got a headlight.
Yeah, so do I, but
This sucks.
I'm slow now. I'm even slower in the dark.
Yeah.
Tapped another tree. That was badass!
There's a fucking hole there on the other side.
Yeah, but you launched that! That was awesome!
Class you're gonna race?
Definitely not A.
Okay, so we'll do the B route.
Yeah.
I was gonna race A, but I have to be back in town for the kids, so.
Oh, yeah.
And the B's is in the morning.
Oh, they're not doing it at the same time? No. There you go.
So, okay.
I guess we're riding the B route then.